Today we're going to go ahead and install this caster onto this new Terra Trek cart. You're going to want to use the supplied tool that it comes with, and in it you will place each of the supplied nuts out of the hardware bag that comes with it. Go ahead and place them in the template. That aside. And here's the caster. You're simply going to place it with wheels facing forward. You'll want to use the supplied Loctite that comes with this in order to secure the bolts. And you will apply a little dab to each of the threads. So take this and you will slide it in. And you will simply thread one at a time into the nuts. And at this point, you can tighten them up, and when you're finished, you'll be able to pull this tool right back out.